Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you all are doing great, taking care of yourselves. So today we will discuss on a new topic, and that is rearrange. So let's begin. So as I have said, our today's topic is rearrange. And if you can understand this topic, then you can easily get 10 marks on your exam. So let's get started. Before starting our today's topic, we are going to solve the homework that I had given you in my previous class. So the homework was a completing form. The question was, suppose Rahim lives with his parents. His father's name is Saiful Islam and his mother's name is Fatima Begum. His date of birth is 28th August 2008. He reads in class 5. He lives in Mirzapur. He have passed the PEC form Bhauteshwari Homes in A grade. Now he wants to get admitted in class 6. By using the given information, you have to fill up the following admission form. So this is our form. Name is obviously Rahim. Date of birth, day 28, month 8, year 2008. Last school attendant, and the answer is Bhauteshwari Homes. Seeking admission to class 6. Result in the last exam, A grade. And lastly, the signature, Rahim. Now moving to our today's topic. So, rearrange can be also known as jumbled sentences. Now, you may have question in your mind that what is rearrange or what is jumbled sentences. So, here is the answer. When the words in a sentence are not put in the correct order is called jumbled sentences, and then we rearrange them to make meaningful sentences. So basically, in your question paper, there will be some words in a sentence, but they will not be in right order. Your task is that you need to put them in a right order and make a perfect sentence. So this is actually called rearranged. Now, when we are going to rearrange a sentence, we need to keep in our mind that we need to follow some kind of rules, but the basic order of words in a sentence is subject plus verb plus object. Now we will know specifically these three things, that means subject, verb and object. What is subject, what is verb, and what is object? First of all, we are going to know about subject. Subject is the one whom we are talking about in a sentence, or a subject is a part of a sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action or verb in a sentence. So here the underlined word is person and the underlined word is thing. So these two things are very important in subject. So here are some examples like Jennifer walked to the store. Here Jennifer is the subject of this sentence. Now the second example, the birds are flying in the sky. Here the birds are the subject. Now there is some note that the subject is commonly a noun or pronoun. So our subject should be a noun or pronoun. That means it can be a name, proper name, proper noun, common noun, any kind of noun, and it should be a pronoun. Now moving to verb. What is verb? Verbs are the action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing, or a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence is called actually verb. So here is some examples like he went to the market. Here this underlined word went is verb. It is in past tense. So go is the basic form or present form of this verb went. Then the next example, I am a student. Here am is also a verb and it is called auxiliary verb or helping verb. Then I can dance. Here the underlined word can is also a verb and it is modals. Now here is a note. Verb can be auxiliary or main verb or modals. So when we rearrange a sentence, there can be auxiliary verb, main verb, and modals. The last point is object. So what is object? A noun or pronoun representing the person or thing that something is done to. Or an object is a noun or pronoun that is governed by a verb or a preposition. Now, here is some examples like Rahim catches a fish. Here, the underlined word like a fish is the object of this sentence. Now, the second example is the cat sat on the table. Here, the underlined words on the table is the object of this sentence. So, basically, when we figure out subject of the sentence and we figure out the verbs of the sentence, then we can easily figure out the object of the sentence also. That's all for today. Practice these subject plus verb plus object, this basic structure or basic order of words in a sentence. I hope you understand what is subject, what is verb, and what is object. So in my next class, we will know more about this rearrange thing. So see you in my next class. Till then, be safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.